Are you headed on a great vacation, except you want to bring everything with you and don't know how to pack your suitcase? Are you super efficient but not sure where you need to put everything in that suitcase? Well, this video is all about compression packing cubes. Those are the packing cubes that you can zip down, make things really, really small so you can pack more in your suitcase. I'm Kim, the Abundant Traveler. I've been to more than 65 countries and lived in 5. I'm an expert in travel, and I am here to share great tips, ideas, and inspiration for your next trip. Let's go ahead and get started with these amazing compression packing cubes from Amazon. So the first question is, what is a compression packing cube? Well, it's a regular packing cube where you stuff all your goodies inside like this one, except compression packing cubes have an extra zipper that squishes your stuff down. So you could put 2 or 3 shirts in here, a couple of pair of shorts, and it will squish your clothes all the way down to this very small size. So now that I have this Cipway out, let's go ahead and talk about this particular brand. What I really like about this is it has a reinforced zipper. It is also ultra lightweight, this Cipway. They come in 3, 5, or 6 compression packing cubes together. This is super lightweight. I love the fact that it has a handle on here, and I really do like the compression zipper because it is a double compression zipper just here, which is really, really nice. It is a wonderful bag. You also get a laundry bag, which is not a compression bag. You could actually use this laundry bag as a shoe bag as well. This would fit probably 2 or 3 pair of shoes, which will keep your shoes from getting all of your clothes dirty. This 5-pack of Cipway has 2 at this size, has 2 at this size as well. This would fit 2 or 3 pair of pants and a couple shirts as well as some underwear. These are quite large and I like the way these feel. They're so compact and so lightweight, they won't take up any space in your suitcase. Don't worry about writing any of these bags down. They're all from Amazon and all the links are in the description below. Let's go ahead with bag number 2. The next one are the tripped bags. These are quite similar to Cipway. This comes in a 7-pack. I do like this color. There are multiple colors with the tripped travel gear. You can actually get one that has the Taj Mahal and the Eiffel Tower, etc. on it. These are wonderful as well. Again, super, super lightweight, and they will zip up very, very small. What I do like with this, you get 2 large bags as well. You get a medium-sized bag, which is wonderful, and then you get a shoe bag, and you get a laundry bag as well. So the laundry bag and the shoe bag are amazing. I also love this pretty turquoise color. This would be great if you're going to be taking a larger suitcase and you need to really compartmentalize everything that's in the larger suitcase. You probably wouldn't use all of these packing cubes if you were just going to carry on only. These are wonderful. You know, using compression packing cubes makes yourself very organized when you are packing. You can do it a couple of ways. One, you can do different outfits in one compression packing cube. So you can put your shirt, pants, underwear, socks, etc. in one, or you can do it by shirts. Like you can put all your shirts in one packing cube, all your pants in another packing cube, all your underwear in a 3rd packing cube. Something else that you can do when you're using compression packing cubes that might be interesting is to actually roll your clothes and wrap them in what I use is a silly band. I'll put the link in the description because not a rubber band. A rubber band will actually wrinkle your clothes, but one of the silly bands, if you roll up your clothes, stuff them in here and then use the compression side, that would be like the most efficient way to pack your clothes. This is the Vasco brand. So Vasco comes in a pack of 4. I would say this is a little heavier. It's a little more industrial feeling. Actually feels a little bit more secure. The first 2 feel more like parachute material. What I do like about this one here, the Vasco, is you have a mesh here. So even if you are not marking in some way what is in your packing cube, you can see through this mesh, and the mesh actually has a piece of plastic on the back, so whatever is in here will not get dirty. This is one size and it fits perfectly inside of your suitcase. It's like the width of a typical suitcase. The others are, that's the smallest one. This is the next size up. Then there is this one, this one is a little bit larger, and this one is sort of a medium size. So of the 4 sizes, this is the smallest one, and this here is the largest one. They're really nice. I would say these are a little more masculine, and all of these are priced relatively similar. It just depends on how many cubes you're getting. Most of them are like $29 to $49 depending on how many you are getting. Again, with all the compression packing cubes that I recommend, they all have a handle here, so in case you want to hang that up on a doorknob or something like that, you have easy access to hang up your clothes if you would like inside of the cube. If you're enjoying this video and finding value in it, make sure to like and subscribe so other travelers like you will get to enjoy this video. Additionally, leave me a comment. Let me know how you are efficient in your packing when you go on a trip. Let's talk about the next one. This is a brand I like a lot. This is Bagail, B-A-G-A-I-L. This is, again, a very lightweight nylon, sort of more like a parachute material. I really like this one. I like this turquoise color. I love also the zipper on here, and the handle makes it super easy to zip up. This particular package comes in either 4 or 6 packing cubes. I really like this one. It's super efficient and super lightweight. I feel that the nylon is a little stronger, a little more sturdy than the first two that I showed you. Bagail is a brand, and this is a fantastic one. It has different sizes here. Also has a shoe bag with a handle at the top of the shoe bag. Different sizes. They actually have 2 quite large bags as well. Bagail is a great brand. I really like their stuff, and these are some great compression packing cubes. Good choice here. The next set I have for you is the Gonex, and I really like their collapsible bags, and this is a great packing cube. Again, this is one of 2 that has the mesh right here. This does not have an extra layer of plastic, so whatever is in your suitcase will get onto your clothes if you have anything dirty in there. This comes in tons of colors, and this is you have a very small one for like underwear, and then you have some bigger ones here. This is great. You also get a laundry bag as well, and I really like this one. This is a great size, and it fits sort of along the side of your suitcase. I love this one. This one I would probably pack my bathing suits or bras and underwear in it. This is a great one, and I love the Gonex brand as well. You know, if you're interested in everything that I pack in my carry-on, then go to the description below and download the free guide of everything that goes in my carry-on. Packing cubes are on there because I do put packing cubes in my carry-on when I travel on long-haul flights. The last but not the least brand is Well Traveled. They actually have a patent pending on their compression system. This is a double capacity hybrid compression system. The thing that I like about this one, you can see here, there is a space here where you can put in a card as to what is in here. I would say the zippers are a little stronger. It's a little more texturized as well. This is an 8-pack, and what is interesting about this, you can tell by the fabric, it is water resistant. So this is great. You have a very small bag here. You have another small bag here. You have your little cards to actually fit inside your packing cubes to tell yourself what is in all of your bags. The thing I like about these is they feel very sturdy and very compact, and they're very square. So when you are packing, these will be extremely efficient in filling every nook and cranny of your suitcase without having any space to spare. And the way this it's just amazing how this can hold so much stuff. I mean, it's just crazy. And this is an 8-pack, so anything that you need to pack on your trip, you can fit inside these compression bags. Something else I like about the Well Travel bags is that they have a lifetime warranty as well. So they just stand behind their product, and I like these a lot. They do come in a couple different colors as well. So what is the winner from today? Well, they're all different, they're all unique, and they are all in the description below, so you can pick your favorite. For me, I actually like the ones that have the mesh in them. I do like seeing what is inside my packing cube. Also, I personally like small packing cubes, so I can pack just a few items in there and stuff them in the nooks and crannies of my suitcase rather than having one big packing cube and putting like all of my pants or all of my shirts in that. That's just a personal preference. Just curious what you think and how you pack your packing cubes. And let me tell you, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to check out the other video on Amazon products just there. I'm Kim, the Abundant Traveler. I can't wait to see you on the next adventure, some amazing destination with a very efficiently packed suitcase. Take care. See y'all very soon.